Welcome to the Daily Wood Technology channel. Today we will explore wood saws, wood shears, and powerful machinery. Let's dive into the exciting and surprising technologies in the wood industry. Come on, everyone. Who wants to own this wooden saw vehicle? I believe that human creativity is limitless and can overcome any circumstances. Wow, a man has created a tool for splitting firewood. To be honest, I'm really eager to know when he will finish splitting the wood. It seems like it could be quite tiring on the hands, don't you think? This is quite an impressive display of creativity. Can I ask you a genuine question? If you had to choose between the wooden saw vehicle we just saw and this splitting maul, which tool would you pick? Please comment below to let me know. In China, this is also an interesting human-powered tool for splitting firewood. If not, take a look at this creative wooden saw. It's a design that combines lever mechanics with a throttle, which is quite interesting. This is another design of a wood cutting tool, equipped with a measuring guide to ensure each piece of wood is cut to uniform length based on its intended use. If you're looking for speed, this is also an excellent wood cutting tool. This tool requires no manual labor. Everything is automated in a cutting system that adjusts to the specified dimensions. The final product will be compact pieces of firewood like this. Do you like it? Now let's dive into the battle of the green giants. Who will emerge victorious? The vehicles start to press firmly against the log, with two gripping arms squeezing it in the middle. The powerful force from both sides causes the log to shake. You'll see the tires spinning. Just a second of distraction or a weak push, and the weaker contender will be pushed back. This is a battle not just of strength, but also a symbol of perseverance and determination. Welcome to the ultimate power of technology. With just a chain, two machines, and an entire area cleared in an instant. This is one of the most extreme cleanup methods you've ever witnessed. Nothing can withstand this power. No chainsaws, no human labor, just a chain and two giants. This is not just cleanup, it's a demonstration of technology's mastery over nature, a powerful tool for a monumental task. Leave a comment to let us know your thoughts on this unique cleanup method. Next, let's watch how these giant machines fell each massive tree. No chainsaws are needed, just the power of machinery facing nature. Towering trees, a powerful push, and the ancient trunk begins to sway. Can the tree withstand this colossal force? Slowly, the tall trunk starts to topple, roots breaking free from the ground, and the sound of cracking echoes, resulting in an astonishing spectacle. This is the undeniable power of modern machines. In just a few minutes, a towering tree is reduced to fine wood chips. Witness the power of the Morbark Hurricane, the unrivaled grinder. A large pine tree, its branches spreading wide, occupies a substantial space. This is an indispensable tool for monumental tasks. Next, let's witness the power of humanity as tall trees are brought down in an instant. A small excavator assists this worker in felling the tree in the precise direction indicated by the lumberjack. Each initial cut is gentle yet accurate, and small wood chips begin to fall. Can you sense the focus and professionalism of the worker as they carry out the task? Each cut is a step forward. The tree starts to sway, and the creaking sound echoes through the forest, signaling the moment when the tall tree is about to fall. What was once a towering tree now lies as a log on the ground. With concentration and skilled technique, humanity has triumphantly and safely overcome nature. The tree crashes down with a resounding sound hitting the ground. The sloped terrain, heavy logs, and the trucks straining to ascend create a formidable challenge for both humans and machines. These massive logs, who would think they could be loaded onto a truck so easily? This is the power of technology and the skillful use of the sloped terrain to provide additional support. Once the log is loaded onto the truck, it begins to move. This is the true test for the truck. Can it conquer this incline with such a heavy load? It's a journey full of challenges, but ultimately, the strength and resilience of technology triumph over the obstacles. Mack 600 transports giant logs, conquering steep inclines with special assistance. The large, long logs stacked on the truck make the Mack 600 look even more imposing. Alongside it is an excavator, ready to provide support at any moment. The Mack 600 slowly progresses, its wheels moving heavily and gradually under the weight of the logs. Every meter traveled is a challenge. However, the perfect coordination between the excavator and the Mack 600 is impressive. The Japanese secret to easily unloading giant logs. The truck is loaded with large logs. Each log is long and heavy, yet the truck has transported them safely to their destination. The scene is calm, but it's set for a professional unloading process. A Japanese worker maneuvers a forklift close to the truck. The forklift gently lifts the front of the log and decisively pushes it toward the opposite side. The operator's precise technique allows the log to gradually slide down safely without any jostling. Slow motion footage showcases the skill in every movement. Ultimate Power HSM208 lifts giant logs as if holding a branch. Long, heavy logs are stacked on the ground as the HSM208 begins to move its arm. The powerful gripping force allows the machine to effortlessly lift even the longest logs off the ground without any shaking. Each movement is an astonishing moment. Each large log is neatly arranged as if placed by hand. This is a rapid, safe, and powerful wood transportation process, testament to the strength and outstanding performance of the HSM 208 in the timber industry. Art of wood stacking, the skill of gripping and neatly arranging logs. One by one is captivating. When heavy work transforms into a flawless performance, each heavy log in the massive wood yard is organized neatly. This is the perfect synergy between humans and technology.